everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I have a double unboxing that I want to share with you all from the pre-fall collection. I've been waiting for these items to become available here in our local boutique and it finally came, so let's get started with the unboxing. So here's my receipt. Let me open this one first. Here. So you probably know what is this because of the box. So here's the booklet, card, and 2 dust bags. Wow, this is so pretty. I've never really seen this in person. So these are my first Chanel Tweed Espadrilles. And this is how it looks. Let me just take this off. So this is a combination of black, beige, and gold. I love the color combination. It has a black toe caps. There's the CC logo. Here's the side. And the bottom with quilting design and CC logo over here. So this is on a size 38, my normal size, and it's made in Spain. Yeah, there's the size 38, and inside you can see just the number code there. Wow, this is so pretty. I love it. I love wearing espadrilles. They are so comfy and I can style it with any of my outfits. There. So let's just put this aside. I'm so excited to unbox this one. Let's open it. Okay, let me check first. There's a booklet. So here's the booklet. There. Let's see. So excited to see this. Ah. Okay, so this is my trendy vanity with classic chain. This is in the small size, and this is in lambskin with gold tone hardware. There. So in front you can see the CC logo. So here's the side, and the back looks like this. And the bottom, so it's just plain, no quilted design. It has 2 zipper closure there, and on the top you can see the gold signature plate that it's a Chanel. So this is in gold tone hardware. Let me just take this off. So the strap looks like this, and it is weighty. So there. Let us open the bag. Okay, so inside you can see that it has a black fabric material, and it says they're made in Italy. So one main open compartment, 3 card slots, and there's a lipstick holder on the side. So here's the card there, and it's 30 series there. Okay, so what can you see about this trendy vanity with classic chain? So let's see what we can fit inside this bag. Okay, so you can fit a card holder if you want to bring a extra card holder, since there's a 3 card slots here. My key holder, so lipstick, my phone. I am using my phone right now for filming. I'll put it here at the back. And powder there, and of course my mask there. I'll put it on the side. And everything fits perfectly there. And I can say that the zipper is smooth. So let's check if you want to bring a compact wallet. Let's see if it can fit inside. So here's my compact wallet. There. My key holder. And powder, and my mask, so I can still close it. So there, no problem at all. There's no bulging, fits perfectly. So let me compare it with my other vanity. This is from the summer collection. So this is caviar leather. Here. Side by side. So they have the same size and the same height, but Trendy is much expensive because of the gold metal plate here. There. Overall, I love these bags. It's like having 2 in 1, a wallet and a bag. I usually use this bag for dinner dates, running errands, and a quick shopping trip to the mall. I love the lambskin. It looks so gorgeous and luxurious. Since this is small, I can take care of it easily. So wow, look! They both look good together. Now I have the pink and the black. So let's see how it looks on me. For reference, I am 5'4.5". The strap drop is 23 inches. So shoulder bag, crossbody, so when you open it, looks like this. It's not gonna, your stuff is not gonna fall. It's very secure. And when you close it, I can easily close it with one hand, assisting the other hand. There. Let me try this on for quick comparison of the strap. Now you can see that the Trendy Vanity is longer than the classic Vanity. There. So this one sits more higher. There. I'm so happy to add this two to my collection. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my unboxing for today. If you like this video or you like my new trendy vanity, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.